Hi, I'm Mike, the bearded bimbler, and this is my adventures. So come with me as we run, walk, crawl and cycle across the many and varied landscapes of the UK. So, the bearded bimbler is ready to depart. Down into Monford Bridge now. Happy I've got off that main air road. Although it was nice to see that there was a nice cycle track down the side of it, so it kept me off the main road. So yeah, about 4 miles into Shrewsbury now. Grab a bit of breakfast there maybe. I've only had chocolate pudding for breakfast. So yeah, happy day. See the original bridge over there, church. Then have to come back that way, so just lovers, Angle Park, right back to big, very busy on some days. So folks, we are at our first stop of the day, and this is Wroxceter or Wroxceter Roman City, and some of you might remember I was here back in November when I first did my overnighting on the bike. And we come here and we had a wander around the Roman city. But this fits into the kind of Arthurian legend, is that this was the capital of Powys. So around 500 AD it was rebuilt and became a major centre again. And now I think this comes from the French poet Chrétien d'Etoile, I think his name was, who wrote about Camelot, and then everybody subsequently kind of went, oh yeah, Camelot, that's where he came from. So Chrétien wrote this in about the 11th century, I think, and then Geoffrey of Monmouth was 13th. So everybody kind of copied each other. But there are older poems, war poems, wrote by, I can't remember his name, but wrote by somebody who potentially was a relation to this Arthur. And so, yeah, potentially was his capital. This is where he was. Maybe he was, one of these paid locals by the Romans, the Roman army. And then once the Romans left, he had the power, he had some money, and so he set up his own capital. Well, yeah, Wroxceter Roman City. Unfortunately, it's not open till 10. I was hoping to get a Coke and use their loop. Can't, so that's alright. Fantastic place though. And then I think Wroxceter itself is down there, so we've got to go kind of up that way and around now. So yeah, happy days. There we are, folks. That is the mighty Wrekin up there. This is the steepest side of the Wrekin. It's massively steep over there. Yeah, I've come up and down it a few times in my running and walking days. Oh, So we're walking, hike a bike. I'm sure other people would be quite happy to ride up some of these. I apparently have about 26 miles left before I even get to Wolverhampton today, and I'm already on 18 miles. So to say I'm not bothered about riding up the hills is an understatement. I am very much saving my legs. Yeah, so we'll be getting on for sort of nigh on 50 miles, I think, by the time I've done it. But saying that, I forgot to set my watch as I left Shrewsbury, so I've probably got another 5 miles to add on to that as well. So yeah, today is a massively long day. Oh, hopefully we go through Telford so I can get a nice cold Coke or something, and an ice cream maybe. Oh gosh, yeah. At least it's not as warm as it was. Well, it's not as warm at the moment as it was yesterday, so yeah. So this is Steve, everybody. And I've been talking to Steve for about the past 15 miles. I think Steve has been with me since this morning, I think, but I'm not entirely sure. So it's time for Steve to go. I'm going to have to drop him off because he's getting bashed around on my bike. We're going to put him in this nice oak tree here, and we're going to bid our farewells. It's been nice chatting to him. I think his plans for the rest of the year is he's just going to eat, and then he's going to pupate, and then he's going to turn it into a butterfly, and he's going to chill out and fly around and shit. Yeah, happy days. Standing on the side of the road talking to a caterpillar on my hound, just to cement my ultimate madness. So those long distance walk. Nice rubber wet. Nice rubber by around the lake. Tastes like some cheese, yeah. Again, it's one of them reach. So, we have made it to White Lady's Priory. We are about 37 miles or so, but we're probably going to be more like 42, 43, because obviously I forgot to set my watch going when we left Shrewsbury. I think I've got about 15 miles or so left home. Part of that problem is that everything's now, my power banks, I know one of them's definitely dead, and the other one just doesn't seem to want to charge anything, so I don't know, I'll put it in the sun, I'll see what it does. Yeah. White Lady's Priory. This is, I love what we're seeing now is a medieval priory. It was founded somewhere around about 690 originally, but the chances are that kind of these places were been built on top of or near to sacred sites previously. So when the character Arthur died, Guinevere is said to have come and retired and lived out the rest of her life. She took with her the jewels of Powys, or the treasures of Powys, treasures of Arthur, and they've never been found to this day. So they may very well be somewhere around here. Who knows? I'm not so sure if there's been any archaeological digs. I don't think there is. Seems a strange. There, I would imagine there'd be quite a few interesting things, especially in the field, outlying fields. But yeah, fantastic priory. It's a fantastic place to come in on Halloween, by the way. We brought the kids here once. Halloween night. And had a walk around here in the dark. To say they were scared is an understatement. You see all the original graffiti as well, some of it's really quite old. This here's old, and you can tell it's old because it's really etched. Like proper carving. Weirdly, it smells like cannabis in this doorway. And this, it's all kind of like tally. So you can tell the oldest. He's like tally. That thing's a skunk. That's bizarre. It's like somebody's stash is there. Anyway. Oh, somebody's fucking. Why would you seriously come here and just wander around and smoke pot all day? What is wrong with people? I don't really care if people are saying it chills them out. I just think it's absolutely random. Come on a day out walking or something and just smoke cannabis everywhere. So yeah, potentially this is the last place that Queen Guinevere was. I suppose the other thing to remember about Guinevere as well is that the name is derived from, I think, Welsh White Lady, or it's some kind of spiritual name, so yes. Fantastic. So I'm going to go up now. Going to go up towards Boscouple House, then come back down and then back into Codsall, and then into Wolverhampton. And then we've still got to get home yet as well, so yeah. Oh, I can't lie, puffed out. Puffed out is unbelievable. He's not the word, so I think that's going to be the last of the recording now. New experience for me doing the recording on the bike. Definitely not something where you can go and just point down the camera right past it and look cool. Interesting. Loved it. 4 days. Hot sun. Definitely need some more fluid. I think I got a bottle of Coke, but I need something else. So yeah, thank you for joining me. Catch you all on the next one, whatever that may be.